A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. I have one question for you. I want you to tell me who you belong to. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below now, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't click the subscribe button yet, go and go do it now, and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here, so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 12 from verse 13 to verse 17. The leader them sent some man from amongst the Pharisee them and Herod follower them to take Jesus own word, trap him. Them go to him and say, "Teacher, we know say you taught the truth, cause you not look no friend from nobody. You're not partial. You teach the right thing about what God want people to do. Tell we, it's right for we pay tax to Caesar, the Roman ruler. We fi pay it, or we no fi pay it. But him know say them did up to no good, so him ask them say, when you test me for? Give me one silver coin. Let me see it." So then give him one silver coin. And he asked them say, "Who for picture and name upon it?" Them answer him say, "Caesar." Then Jesus said to them say, "Give Caesar what fame, and give God what fame." And them did shock the hero answer them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.